you off to?
We're going to 27 Charcos today. It's a system of waterfalls that goes through the jungle. And there's 27 waterfalls, and that's why it's called 27 Waterfalls. And you do 7 only, and we're there for about 4.5 hours to do that.
Also, everything's included.
Yeah, so lunch.
It's pretty exciting.
Lunch and drinks are included.
A little pit stop to refuel. Now we can keep driving. Gracias. Okay.
Where are you and what are you doing?
Somewhere where it doesn't have beer, and I'm not very happy about it. Apparently there's going to be 4 hours of hiking. And it says, do not jump on the bridges. That's my favorite activity.
You're so stupid. No, but really though, tell the people where you are.
I don't know where we are. Wait, no, really. Let's go.
These are my shoes. How much you pay for those shoes? We paid exactly 100 pesos each, and it was absolutely worth it. You need water shoes for this adventure. Another tip, the paparazzi will be following you around everywhere, asking to take photos at every breathtaking moment. At the end, he's definitely going to want your money. According to our tour guide and all these signs, the solenodonte, which is a prehistoric rodent, is frequenting this region. It's the temperature and the altitude. 728 feet? 728 feet! I can't jump off of that. It's cold. It's gonna be okay. Yeah. Okay. It's okay.
Deep! It's really deep! it's deep! Holy! I did not expect that! I can't even read the bottom. Wait.
Don't try.
All right, life jacket.
That looks so scary. I'm scared. I don't want to go. Come on. Okay.
Why am I doing this? Holy shit. Jump in the middle. Do it. Down. Do it.
Back in town from that super long adventurous day, we definitely needed a nap and then out for dinner in the evening. Cabarete has so many different restaurants and bars to choose from. Just walk down to the beach and there's incredible nightlife any day of the week.
Looks like eggs on frog.
It's not frog egg. It's so good. I love it.
It's so good.
Good?
Oh my god.
It looks good. It looks so good.
So good.
What flavor are those? What flavor are those?
Fish.
Oh, that's a pescado taco.
Let's go for a walk. Oh my god.
You never change, bro. That's where we stay.
No camera. She says no camera.
No camera? Hey, Whitney. Sí, una más. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Ashley Soto.
Ashley Soto. We're turning up here in Cabarete.
We'll see you guys next time for more adventures in Cabarete in video part 2. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so that you never miss out on our new content.
Sí, mañana barbacoa. Salud. Nice to meet you.